The Andis Envy tool, the Kenny Duncan joint, I've been using that all day. I don't know why. Haircuts get done way faster, by like 10, 15 minutes faster. There's a reason Andis been around as long as they have. Package! Jose, you see the package. You see the package. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Jose wanna know what it is. Come on, man. Y'all was talking about my apron here. Yeah, guess what I did? Got another one. Ooh! Hey, this lighter. Hold on, Night Flag. That new apron. It feel a lot lighter, actually. You feel me? We got the clips. This is why I get this apron. Night Flag on the back. This look a little more gray than black, but that's cool. It's non-porous, so no water sticks to it. I thought I ordered black, but it's cool because this gray is fire too. Come on, man. You see the old one, it started to rip? Yeah, this joint way lighter. Toss it, say less. And I got the gray sticker to go with to match, you feel me? Hey, this is great clean though. Hey, but don't take my recommendations because it's expensive. I ain't gonna lie to you. So you get it if you want to at your own risk. I done had mine for years and years and years.
This is a destiny. That's where you wanna be. I trust you with honesty. That's where you wanna be. Do your best, work hard, forgive and forget love. That's where you wanna be. No regrets with honesty.
All right, y'all, I'm on lunch. I got some Chick-fil-A, brought it to the crib. Sometimes you gotta take the Chick-fil-A home, put it in the air fryer a little bit, you feel me? Get a little crispiness to it. It's Friday. I think I'm gonna start doing these vlogs every Friday or something like that. I'm gonna choose one day a week and just vlog. But yeah, it's a busy day, I'm booked out. I have no idea, I think I did like 7 cuts already, but I live close enough to where I can come home for lunch. But I don't think people talk about this enough. The Andis Envy tool, the Kenny Duncan joint, I've been using that all day. I don't know why. Haircuts get done way faster, by like 10, 15 minutes faster. Depending on the haircut, of course. But yeah, the Kenny Duncan Envy too, I've been using that all day. I've only used Andis clippers today, and that's what I chose to use. I don't know why I chose it, but that's what I wanted to do today. But the results are interesting. There's a reason Andis been around as long as they have. But yeah, on Fridays, all I really be doing is working. I work a long day, my wife work a long day, and then we come home, and usually I pick some up for dinner on the way home. So the apron I bought today, that's a brand that I've been using my entire career. It's called Night Flag. They make non-porous aprons. I thought I ordered a black one, but I ordered a gray one. My old one was black, and it's just outdated. It's starting to rip and peel, and it's way overdue. But it's lasting me a really long time. Again, the brand is called Knife and Flag. I'm not sure if I said that or not. I think I'm gonna do a reaction to my old videos. I know I started this YouTube thing like 2020, 2021, one of the two. And it's grown fast. It's grown really well. But my content in the beginning was trash, bro. I seen part of one of them and I was like, but I will say when I started, I loved cutting hair. I think I loved it a lot more than I do now. Whereas now there's more of like a burnout feeling sometimes. But it was cool to see some of my clients that I currently cut in those videos. Sometimes you forget how long you've been cutting somebody's hair and it's like, I don't know, you just make sure you appreciate the people you got, dog, that support you for a long time. Every person that you meet along this journey matters, whether it's good or bad, whether it's beneficial or not. Make sure y'all ain't taking them people for granted. I wouldn't be here without a lot of them people. But yeah, I'm probably finna head back. I'll catch y'all in a minute. Get up on my plate, dog. See you when I see you.
Chilling on my own while I stroll through the city. I get a text from my woman. She talking about she missed me. Then I get a call. She just trying to see who with me. Told me to come and get me. I had to tell her I'm busy. I'ma slide though. Told me ain't nobody out to open except 5-0 and legs. What you gotta lie for? Talking louder. She say whatever come to mind. Oh, you think I'm playing with you? I ain't got the time, bro. You seeing other women? That's when she started tripping. I was pulling up, but arguing was never my intention. Parked the car for like a minute. I was chilling. She was.
Day is over. On my way home, I don't know how many. I don't never check how many clients I have, but I know I had 1 late client and I had 0 no call, no show. So that's a successful day for me. It's always cool when all the clients actually make it to their appointments. That's one thing I will say. I appreciate everybody for coming through today. I know some of y'all be wondering like, oh, why he don't do tutorials and stuff like that. I'm not a tutorial kind of guy, dog. It's 1,000 barbers who cut hair just like me. But also, I just want to cut hair and I don't want to worry about the angles and explaining what I'm doing because I forget all the time. I be all over the place. I can show somebody how to cut hair in person, but I feel like in person is not nearly as intentional. Let's say that. Also, when I'm doing a haircut, I'm trying to make sure the client likes the haircut. I'm not really focused on recording and stuff like that. I don't record a lot when I'm doing haircuts. If I do, I'm still paying more attention to the client. So I got a lot of bad footage from a lot of different videos, but I'm always more focused on a client. I don't want a client to be like, oh, he's all about social media, because at the end of the day, I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for the client. So I always focus more on the clients. Also, I'm not doing 15 haircuts in a day. I'm not doing all that. I make pretty decent money, as do most barbers. After almost 10 years of cutting hair, I'm not gonna work myself to death. That's just something I'm not gonna do. If that's what you like to do, that's cool. I respect it, but that's not me. That's not me at all. But yeah, this is a Friday. This is our most busiest day, and some haircuts I forgot to record. That's how it goes. A lot of people want to make content. I'm gonna be honest with you, it's not always easy. But I appreciate y'all watching this video. If you want more vlogs from me, if you want more content like this, let me know. I got the little DJI Osmo Pocket. It's a great camera, so I just been wanting to use it. So I've been doing vlogs on my personal channel. I'm doing vlogs on here now. So yeah, let me know what y'all want to see next, dog. You already know I go by the name of Cuts by Cruze. Subscribe. All right, I don't care if you like. Leave a comment, let me know what y'all want to see next. And as always, I will catch y'all in the next video. Peace.